To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here.
Press outwards on the wire clip tab and then pull backwards to remove it.
Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down. Disengage the fasteners.
Pull the housing back towards you to disengage the tabs from their catch.
Remove the old filter from the housing.
Insert your new filter into the housing.
Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the wires. Reinstall the sensor. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.